Hi guys, today we're going to be looking at the sound and the letter names for B, M, R and S. B, M, R and S. The letter B sound. To make the sound, put your lips together to make the sound. Open your mouth to make the sound. No air should leave your mouth. And be careful not to add a on the end of the sound. But, bug, book, boy, belt. Letter sound M. To make the sound, put your lips together. Air comes out of your nose, not your mouth. Man, mop, mitten, milk. Letter sound R. The tip of your tongue must not contact any part of your mouth. Your lips are somewhat pursed or rounded. Run, roof, road, rake. And the letter sound S. Teeth go together and the tip of the tongue touches the roof of your mouth. Scissors, saw, socks, sea.